What is your name?
My name's Anna. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What time is it now?
It's 7 a.m.
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am, at Toronto Metropolitan University.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it. Especially with cheese.
Can you help me?
Of course, I can. What do you need?
Where is the office?
It's on the 3rd floor.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't. I take the bus.
What is your job?
I work as a graphic designer.
Are you ready to go?
Just a minute. I need my keys.
What did you eat today?
I ate rice and chicken.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it in school.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please. I'm very thirsty.
How do you come to work?
I come by bus.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
Is your phone new?
No, it's old, but it still works.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 3 brothers.
Can you drive a car?
A little bit. I'm still learning.
What are you doing later?
I'm going to cook dinner.
Did you see the news?
Yes, I did. It was shocking.
What is your hobby?
I like reading books.
Are you feeling well?
Yes, I am fine. Just a bit tired.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite is blue.
Is today a holiday?
No, it's a working day.
When does the train leave?
It leaves at 7 a.m.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you like the weather today?
No, it's too hot.
Can I borrow a pen?
Sure, here you go.
What do you think of this idea?
I think it's very good.
Where is my bag?
It's on the chair.
Why are you happy?
Because I finished my work.
Did you go to the market?
No, I didn't. I'll go tomorrow.
Have you been here before?
Yes, once. A long time ago.
Are you busy right now?
A little, but I can talk.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Will you call me later?
Yes, I will call you after work.
Do you want to eat now?
Not yet, thanks. Maybe in an hour.
What did you say?
I said I was hungry.
How was the party?
It was fun, but a little crowded.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea to coffee.
Are you joining us?
I might, but I'm not sure yet.
What is your favorite season?
I love the winter.
Do you have white hairs?
I have some gray hair.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the park.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is very cold.
Did you finish the report?
Almost. I'm on the last page.
What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 4 p.m.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Is it far from here?
Not very far. About 10 minutes.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to relax at home.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Did you like the movie?
It was okay. Not the best.
Can you close the door?
I already closed it.
What did you do yesterday?
I visited my friend.
Will it rain tomorrow?
I think it will. The sky is dark.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, I'm starving.
Did you turn off the light?
Oh, I forgot. I will do it now.
Do you feel tired?
A little. I need a cup of tea.
Are you coming back soon?
Yes, I'll be back in an hour.
Is this your first time here?
No, I've been here many times.
What time does the class start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
What's your opinion about this?
I think it's a great idea.
Where do you live?
I live near the park.
Do you read books often?
Yes, almost every day.
What's your favorite kind of food?
I love Chinese food.
Did you see the movie?
No, I haven't seen it yet.
What color is your shirt?
It's black and white.
Are we meeting tomorrow?
Yes, at 10 a.m. It's arranged.
How was the food?
It was delicious. Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine, thank you.
What did you wear yesterday?
I wore a sweater.
Will you finish the project by Monday?
I will try my best to finish it.